In the Surface Modeling Edition, there's also a geometry report. This is somewhat of an undocumented command, but it is a command available in this edition. What it does is it reports out the geometry of the objects within Business Center. So you can select multiple objects or one object. So let me show you what this does. To access it, you're going to go to your command pane and you're going to type in geometry, or start typing in geometry. So if you type in geo, you can see that there's this geo or geometry report, and you can then select the objects. Now I'm just going to select a couple. I'm going to pick this pipe, I'm going to pick this retaining wall, and I'm going to pick the profile of this sewer line. Now I do recommend too that you name them, so I'll pick one that's not named, possibly this edge of pavement here. So let me hold my control key down and pick those again. So we'll pick the retaining wall, and we'll pick this center line of storm. And you can choose what you want to display, and I'm going to click apply. You can see that it creates a geometry report or an Excel file. And if we take a look here, you can see there's a bunch of tabs. So sheet 6 is not named, so this is going to be that edge of pavement. So you can see that it provides me with a station and a northing and easting of every vertex of the line, what type of line it is, what the bearing is, what the deflection is, what the length of it is, radius, and delta. So that has some curvatures in there, so I can see and verify maybe all the curves, my curve returns in that case. If we're taking a look at this object here, which is, has all these curves. So we could look at the radiuses of our parking lot to see that they are properly defined. Now if we take a look at the other tabs, let's go to sheet 1, you can see that this is Storm Sewer Sapphire Park. So that is the center line of my storm sewer. So this is a 3D polyline, so you can see I get a little bit different information. Get the northing easting, the line type, the bearing, the deflection, the length, and elevation. Sheet 4 is the retaining wall. So again, it's looks like it's a 3D polyline. Actually, no, it looks like maybe a 2D polyline because it's all the same elevation. And then if we go to sheet 5, you can see that that's actually the pipe, and you can see the pipe is actually even reported out with the grade start and a grade end. So depending on the object will depend on what information gets displayed in this report. But it's a nice tool to be able to check and verify some of the data in your project.